Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how you can add text in Picsart using the mobile app on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First, open up Picsart on your phone and tap the plus button at the bottom. Now, from the top of the screen, choose a photo or a background, and after you choose the picture and upload it on your screen, go ahead and tap on the text button at the bottom. Type in your desired text into the box that appears and click on the tick mark at the top right. Once you do that, your text will appear on the screen. Now, move and resize your text, drag to reposition and pinch to resize, and you can also rotate the text with the tools on the screen. Now to change the color of the text, you can go to the bottom menu and tap Color. Select a color that is suitable to add onto your image from the color palette option. You can also apply gradient on the text. Also make sure to add textures so that it matches your vibe and your picture. There are other tools such as styles, changing fonts, adding strokes, blending, and using opacity to adjust transparency. Go ahead and explore around with the tools provided at the bottom so that you can customize your text. After you are happy with the text, tap on Apply at the top right, and that is how you will be able to save the change. I hope you learned how to add text in Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Picsart tutorial. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks!